Mesa Black Early Warning System issues global alert. Intercepted deep space transmission at 8:46 MST. Message content: he is the most powerful being to exist. No confirmed physical threat but situation volatile. Immediate actions: resupply shelters for 14-day minimum. Secure non-perishable food, water, 1 gal per person daily, medications, battery lighting. Reinforce structural integrity. Seal windows with plastic sheeting and duct tape. Monitor official channels only, this broadcast. AM station 1610 kHz. mesablack.gov. Disregard unsourced information. Conserve grid power. Charge communication devices now. Report abnormal phenomena immediately to 11-888 MB alert. Including, gravity fluctuations. Spontaneous crystallization. Unidentified biological growths. Collective hallucinations. Remain indoors after sunset. Avoid all public gatherings. Hoarding beyond 14-day reserves unlawful. Maintain calm. Stand by for updates. Reinforce, seal, report, conserve. This is Mesa Black.